Oh, yeah. Push the motherfucking button. Try to fall down, bitch, push the motherfucking button. I did that stuff, I never put your hand on my radio. Yeah, I'm going down radio, down crazy hoe. Yeah, I said I push the goddamn button. Yeah, push the motherfucking button. I say, push the goddamn button. Yeah, you got the gun on safety, bitch, now you ain't my partner. You ain't my partner. You ain't my partner. You ain't my partner. Cause all these niggas, hood niggas, and everybody gotta say that bitch. That's why we buy a gun without a safety. Push the goddamn button. I'm in this bitch till I bug out. Got a bad bitch with so much ass, it just busts out. Give a fuck, say what you saying, I'm on crush now. Ice chain, baby, can I get an ice chain? I can't get a chain, not a thing. A diamond in the rough, but you know I just do my thing. And if I hit that shit with a hammer, I make it crush when I got a bad bitch and I'm about to bust on the butt. Yeah, so push the goddamn button. Yeah, push the goddamn button. Niggas playing here. I push the goddamn button. Busting out like a motherfucking parachute with a parachute. Yeah, say push the goddamn button. Yeah, I push the goddamn button. Yeah, you niggas ain't no thuggin'. Yeah, say push the goddamn button. Yeah, as soon as you push send when we on, bitch, I don't give a fuck, I'm in my zone, ain't no clown shit. Yeah, 5, 4, and 3, 2, 1. Taliban, bitch, we on that bomb shit, we get you blow quick. And we don't give a fuck, transmitted like a motherfucking flow that's missing. And I been having hoes that's missing, I been missing toes. Peter Piper pick it, okay, hold on, better cut your toenails when you're doing this. Okay, bitch, I kick the shit, you know that I'm with the shit. Niggas always talking, but I'm too legit to quit, ayy. And I got a whistle like a red with a whistle that's segregated. And you keep the black and the white in the middle, it's just a white world, I mean a black world with some white letters, I swear, it's like leather, but they think it's clever, but look, it won't make it better, but make the weather ever change, keep my motherfucking name. Hold on, yeah, say push the button, bitch. Yeah, say push the button, bitch. Yeah, and there's gotta be a push start in the top 5 when that bitch start. Yeah, push the button, bitch. Yeah, I can't believe it's not butter, bitch. Yeah, and this bitch here should cut a bitch, so please don't play me with the shit. Okay, hold on, I keep shit with no feet and just nubs, and I put that on my niggas, and I don't care what it was, when it was what it was. I'm with the thugs, we just slide, and we pull up and we thugs. Pull up in the zip code, pick a target and zip them out and get them zipped out the zip code. And when we in beat mode, we don't say nothing, not a name, not a place, not a no, just a zip code. Yeah, got my lips on zip, and this that shit, look, nigga, we on that beef shit. We got the beat tips in the right, but we had never had sugar, bitch, I swear I'm with that motherfucking white, yeah, the sugar bug, I got that shit in the pot. These niggas talking, but we whip it till it just can't get out. And if it shrink, then you know just what it is, then we gotta bring that back. Say I be whipping, it was gone, but I brought this shit right back. Will be, okay, yeah. You know what it is. I be in that bitch, I'm underwater, I don't need gills. I'm for real, I've been under here for years, and I couldn't even get out, and I didn't even have no chills. Cold in the bitch, and I ain't had no fears. Driving a motorcycle without no fucking gears. I'm in this bitch and this bitch got a holly, she holly, and I don't give a fuck cause I'm a pop a molly, I can't help shit. Bitch, I'm in my zone. Yeah, I love, but the love really gone. Say I had a love, but my house ain't have a home. Maybe my heart ain't had no home, cause I was in my zone.